Hey, Theo, welcome back. Today we will talk about the one skill most engineers overlooked that can make or break your career, which is to know your organization and know how your organization actually works. So, you have probably heard this 1,000 times, which is just get really good at coding and that's it enough. But here is something most people won't tell you. And I learned this the hard way, which is it might be the most underrated skill in the tech, which is understanding how your organization works. In this video, we are diving into the real reason this matters and how mastering it can help you land promotions, pitch projects, pitch battles wisely, and know when it's time to move on. So yeah, let's get started. So first, let's start with why this matters more than you think. You could be the best developer in the room, but if you don't know how your org runs or how your organization runs, how decisions are made, who influences what, or which goals actually matter, you are operating blind. So let's try to understand. Uh, okay, so we need to understand what understanding your organization will help you with. First, you will be able to know which tech skills are actually rewarded. Number two, you will be able to making a smarter technical trade-offs. Number three, you'll be able to build relationships that help your projects succeed. Number four, you'll be able to identify high leverage quick wins. Number five, you will have the ability to estimate what's possible and in what frame. And yeah, there is more things, but we want to keep everything simple. So yeah, I guess this one of the things that could help you with understanding your organization will could help you with. So it's not just for managers; it's a pretty important. As a software engineer, you really need to understand how your organization actually works. So this thing we want to talk about because why shielding junior is mistake. If you are a senior engineer or tech lead or even a manager, a lot of managers these days think they are helping junior engineers by shielding them from the organization policies or yeah, from the organization politics. Don't worry about the why, just focus on your code. But I would say that here's the thing. Shielding might preserve focus short term, but long term it stunts growth. It will hurt the developer, and overall it will hurt the team. Overall, it will hurt the work and the app you are working on. Overall, it will hurt the organization. So engineers don't magically wake up one day knowing how to pitch an idea, manage up, or resolve conflicting properties. If you're not exposed to the yeah to the mechanics of how your team operates, you miss out on the chance to build the skills that actually accelerate your career. There is no Stack Overflow post for how to navigate unclear expectations and win by. There's no overstack flow for that. You need to learn this by seeing it early. Okay, so what should you do? Here is a few things you can do. You can start doing now to understand your org better. So first, don't just ship code. Ask why. Ask why your decisions are made. Why this is a priority and who asked for it. Number two, build cross-functional relationships like chat with PMs, designers, Q&A, and folks in customer support. Understand their priorities. It will help you write better code and make better decisions. Next, listen in leadership meeting when you can. So even if you are not, if it's not your meeting, being a fly on the wall can relieve how decisions are made and what really drives action. Next, we'll talk about pitch improvements with context. So don't just say, we should refactor this. Say, this refactor will reduce on-call incidents, improve deploy speed, and align with Q3 goals, like third quarter goals. It's not about being political, it's about being effective. So, sorry, I hit the mic accidentally. Sorry for that. So, if you want to grow in your career, it's not just about writing great code, it's about writing the right code and the right time for the right reasons. And to do that, you need to understand how your organization work. It's never too early to start. In fact, the sooner you learn this, the faster your impact will be, and reputation also will grow. So yeah, that's it for this video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, see you in future videos.